Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be learning how to revive and revamp this synthetic wig. So you don't need to throw away your synthetic wig. And so in this video, we'll be learning how to wash it, how to style it, how to give it layers, how to cut it. So this video will come in different parts. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. So to start this process, we'll be needing our fabric washer. This will serve as a shampoo, and also your fabric softener. This will serve as our conditioner. You can use your normal shampoo and conditioner, but today sometimes I use that, sometimes I don't. But today I just want to use my normal fabric washer and then my softener as my shampoo. So first of all, what I do is to first of all detangle. We start from the roots and detangle. Detangle the back as well, because the back can get really tangled. Detangle properly. We're tangled. The next thing we're going to do is to add warm water inside this place. Warm water. And then my fabric washer. Fabric soap. It's just, I'm going to soak in this for 15 minutes inside this place, especially making sure that this place where glue is soaked. See how dirty it is? Just have to soak it and leave it. So this is it. So I'll just wash it. Especially I want to concentrate on this knot part where there is glue. Clean it a little bit with a piece of brush. So we're going to add another water. Now adding this as a softener as a condition. So we're going to wash it out after soaking it for some minutes inside the softener. So we're gonna air dry it, not under the sun, just air dry it. And then so this is it. We just have to air dry it, and then when it's dry, we can now start the straightening it and also the styling process. So this is when it has finished air drying. You see how sleek and straight and clean it's looking. So this is after I finished straightening it. So if you want to find how or to know how I was able to straighten it as sleek as this, please do well to watch the part 2 of this video on how to style it, on how to cut it, on how to do what, give it layers. If this video has been super helpful to you, please do want to subscribe, like, so that more people will get to see this video. Ask me questions, and see you guys on my part 2. Bye.